Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome once again to English video. When you compare, this time we are discussing the question answers of a sea dirge. A sea dirge, a poem. Just now I had sent you in the last video. Now we will be discussing about question answers. When you compare two objects, it is known as a simile. Pick out the similes used in the poem. जैसे as a spider, as a ghost, like the sea. These are the similes. So you can write the similes used in this poem to compare an object is as a spider, as a ghost, as an umbrella, as the sea, like that. Do you think there can be comparison between dog howling day and night and the sounds of the waves in the sea? Do you think this is an appropriate comparison? Do you agree with this? Why or why not? So talking about myself, this is actually personal question. So you have to answer, but I will try to answer for you. If you think it is correct, you can write it in your notebook. Actually, it is correct. We can have a comparison because howling of the dog also creates a noise and sound of the sea waves also creates a noise. When the high tides are there, the sea waves will be creating a lot of noise. So, in this sense, it is an appropriate comparison. Pick out the rhyme scheme of this poem. Means, see now, ghost is A, 3 is B. Again, ghost and most. So, A and 3 C means B. So, rhyming scheme is AB, AB. Rhyming scheme is AB, AB. Again, see the second paragraph. Floor, more. B, C. So, again, rhyming scheme is AB, AB. Okay, children, are you getting? Then coming to third paragraph, outright night. So AA, spree, C, BB. So AB, AB. So the rhyming scheme in this poem is AB, AB. Okay, children. Suppose the poet had liked the sea instead of hating it and had asked you for some more comparison. What suggestion would you have made? Why? Suppose he has liked the sea, then we could have made the comparison. Instead of ugly, we could have made it beautiful, I am sure, if you allow it to be like that. है ना? And the howling of dog, instead of it cruel, we could have used it kind. That's all. Oh, these are the suggestions I'm giving to you, and you may note down this. And now the next is see the page number 156. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word phrases to complete the summary of the poem. The poet dashed several things like a spider. The poet hates. Hates several things like a spider, a gout, G-O-U-T, gout, ghosts, you have to put comma, C, income tax, and then a few, but he hates the sea most. But he hates the sea most. He doesn't find the sea beautiful. On the contrary, he finds its salt water. He compares it to the ugly flowing on the floor. He compares it to the howling of a dog. He compares it to ugly flowing on the floor. He compares it to the howling of the dogs. Okay. So, the poet has clubbed spider, ghost, income tax, gout, umbrella for three altogether. Can you guess why he hates each of these? Because spider is a sticky thing, and if it falls in anything, it is very poisonous. So, spider is sticky. Ghost because it looks horrible. Income tax, gout means income tax when it comes to pay, we feel it not good but bad. Umbrella for three means no one will be safe in if the umbrella is for three. Umbrella is only for one. If three persons go in it, then everyone will be wet. No one will be safe. Okay. So that is the thing the poet wants you to tell. So writing skill has been decided. A visit to a seaside. Have you ever been to seaside? Write a short paragraph on it. Try and use as many comparison as possible to highlight your likes dislikes for the sea, because in the sea what all ugly animals you can see, that also you should write. एगली एनिमल्स जो जो दिखते हैं आपको वहाँ सी में, उसके साथ भी आप कंपैरिजन करना और आपके व्यूज़ इसमें लिखना, तो इट वुड बी अ राइटिंग स्किल. नाउ कमिंग टू अंडरलाइन द कंजंक्शंस. कंजंक्शन फ्रेंड्स, मैंने आपको बताया है कि कंजंक्शंस क्या होते हैं. कंजंक्शंस आर द कनेक्टर्स ऑफ द टू सेंटेंसेस. कंजंक्शंस के बारे में अपन ने बहुत पहले भी पढ़ा है. तो यू विल नॉट पास if you are careless. if is the conjunction, it is a conditional. अगर आप careless हो तो you will not pass. I shall not go there unless he invites me. unless is conjunction. मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा जब तक वो मुझे बुलाएगा नहीं. he is quite contented unless he asks me to do so. वो अपना भरपूर satisfied है जब तक कि वो मुझे बोलता नहीं है. I am eating now because I am hungry. मैं इसलिए खा रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे भूख लगी है. He was frightened when he saw the tiger. कब डरा वो? जब उसने टाइगर देखा. I don't know where he has gone. Where is also a connector. The following conjunctions are always used in pairs. Use them in sentence of your own. Both, and, either, or. He and she both should come. He and she both should come. Either or. Either you will come or I will come. So इस तरीके से फ्रेंड्स आपको इसको कंप्लीट करना है, तो आप कंप्लीट कर लीजिए और फिर फन विथ वोकैबुलरी पे आइए. ये मैं नहीं कंप्लीट कराऊंगी, आपको करना है. अनस्क्रैम्बल द फिगर आउट वर्ड्स. एन इंसेक्ट. फर्स्ट इज स्पाइडर. यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग रेन. इट इज अम्ब्रेला. Sound made by animal, howl. A water body. What is this water body? Scion. Scion बोलते इसको. And the disease, gout. Disease is gout. Goiter. Goiter disease सुना है, उसके जैसा ही gout रहता है. तो फ्रेंड्स इसके साथ हमारा ये वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल बी वेलकमिंग यू with new things.